there could be a lot of crypto influencers right now that are in danger of being arrested in the short term. And also, I got a lot of good news coming out of the broader market and why I'm even more bullish than ever. But first, check us down for our CT Club where you get our trade alerts. And I've been doing a lot of trade alerts, portfolio updates, and all that stuff. Okay, so breaking news right now. You have the UK will ban saving with its CBDC and make it illegal to hoard the digital pound. Now, this is coming from the Telegraph. So, yeah, you're not going to be able to save crap, guys. And if you're really, this is why I say this CBDCs from each nation is one of the most dangerous things that humanity is going to be facing in the near to short term. They're coming out with this sooner than you think. They say, oh, it's going to be out in 2030, year 2030. I think it's going to be much sooner than that. And they have to rush because people are getting used to crypto and its ease of use and its decentralized nature. They're not going to put up with something that the government has that you can't even save and they can just steal money out of your account whenever they want. Next up. Okay, so we have the Treasury of England considering plans for shoppers to use digital currency dubbed, this is what it's called, Britcoin instead of cash. So they're naming it Britcoin instead of Bitcoin. I mean, these guys have like no authenticity whatsoever. Yeah, it's coming and it's coming fast and nothing you can do will stop it. Speaking about trying to stop some things, okay, there's going to be potentially a lot of crypto influencers in the UK that target UK citizens that could potentially be arrested. UK FCA warns crypto companies to comply with a new ad regimen or face imprisonment. Okay, so they could face up to 2 years of imprisonment if they are not clear, fair, or and if they're misleading. So when they're coming out with their digital currency, cryptocurrencies are a threat to a CBDC. So now what's going to be clear? What's considered misleading for them? So they're gonna the government who is creating this CBDC, which crypto is a threat to, is going to make the rules for this. So it makes me think that there's not going to be a lot of talk about cryptocurrencies in the UK, and I think a lot of the citizens are going to have a huge barrier of entry towards cryptocurrencies because of this, and they're going to be forced to use their CBDC, which is going to be closed source, no transparency, unlimited supply, and controlled by one central bank. Sound great? Probably not. That's why you want to get into crypto as fast as possible, like Bitcoin. Okay, moving on to the global macro front, which I'm so bullish on, which Heidi did a poll, I think it was last week, where she's like, hey, do you guys think the bear market is over? 65% said no. But you know what? It doesn't matter what everybody thinks. What matters is the political figures and the Federal Reserve, what they have to say. So President Biden says the risk of recession is very low. And you know what? We all know that there is a severe recession right now. I'm going to go over some data really quickly on what the recession is looking like, right? So 64% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck right now. This is according to CNBC. And also 50% of Americans earning over $100,000 are living paycheck to paycheck. How is that not a recession? How is that not a depression, considering that if it wasn't for credit and other forms of instant payments like EBT cards or food stamps, there'd be bread lines all across America. So yeah, they are in a severe destruction of an economy, okay? Also, Jim Cramer says hotels, restaurants, travel, cruises, all going into a recession as we speak. So Income Sharks points out on Twitter, he points out, last time Jim said recession, we had historic 2-year long bull market. He's the best counter signal ever. And I totally agree with that. He's amazing. Lastly, AI coins. AI coins are the biggest hit right now. Check this out. So why is AI becoming such a big thing? Well, this is huge right now. So you have Chat GPT, right? They're coming out. They have 100 million users in just like a couple weeks or whatever. Well, Google is responding to this and announcing Bard A.I. or AI, okay? So in response to Chat GPT. So all these giant companies are going to be competing with each other. And guess what? Crypto has these decentralized AI platforms like Fetch.ai, Ocean Protocol, and a bunch of other Singularity.ai, many others. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at right now. Plus, I've been telling our CT Club members that we're going to start getting into gaming. So I'm looking at gaming tokens as the next kind of trend shift. But I do think there's a lot of room to run for the AI coins right now. Anyways, that's all I have. Please like and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.